Hi everyone, good morning. Probably not morning when you're watching this, it's probably more like afternoon or evening, but yeah, the sentiment is there. Before I go any further, if you haven't subscribed already, hit subscribe. There's loads of things coming up, but today is Marshmallow Play-Doh. That's right, edible Play-Doh. Edible Play-Doh. Play-Doh you can shove in your mouth and eat. And best of all, tastes like marshmallow because it is marshmallow. What more could you want from me? Obviously nothing. I am not a crafter. I am absolutely terrible at crafting. So my limits lie with the easy things. Basically, if your 5-year-old can do it, I can do it, which is exactly what happens with this recipe. It is marshmallow fluff, icing sugar, and a tiny bit of oil. And it makes the most wonderful consistency of Play-Doh. It's not crumbly, it's not slimy, it is just Play-Doh. And you can use different flavours, you can use different colours. If you want to make it unicorn marshmallow Play-Doh, no judgment over here. I love a unicorn, and you can add a bit of edible glitter. You can go crazy with it. So, don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your marshmallow Play-Doh.